When you think of one of the primary tasks that someone expects to do in Excel, it's usually a series of sequential tasks. Now, if you think of any analyst in a role, they're being asked to bring in data into Excel. They're asked to manipulate that data, to extract it, to analyze it, to perhaps match it. And so there are a series of sequential tasks that need to happen exactly the way your manager may want you to, the firm may want to, based on their methodology, the approach that they take. And that's usually where human error comes in. And so that requires a lot of training and checking by the manager and follow through and redoing of work. And this is the beauty of where Excel agents come in. Imagine if you were to just lay out a set of instructions and ask the agent to do that work on your behalf, and the Excel would do every step of the way perfectly, exactly as intended by you. Now, where most agents fail is usually that work tends to be a black box, where you don't know how the answers were arrived at, and you just have to trust that the agent did it correctly without hallucinating. And that is a problem that was very near and dear to DataSnipper when we built our product, because we know that auditors and finance teams live and die by the accuracy of the work they produce. And so black boxes are absolutely unacceptable. And the way DataSnipper's Excel agents work is they show the user every step of the way and how they arrived at the answers that they did. And they put the user in control of approving or not approving that work. And therefore, that black box is completely opened up and puts the user back in control of the final work product, because we know it's their name that signs off on that work, and the credibility and trust of that output is critical.